Hello, I'm preparing a tutorial for you today. While I don't know how you guys manage. Do you have order on your desk? After such drawing and painting, cleaning up the whole week, and I can't bring my desk to the state before I start working. It stresses me a lot. There are so many different tools that are hard to arrange, put back. Write me in the comments how you deal with this problem. What is easy for you and what is difficult for you. I totally don't embrace arranging and putting things back. I don't embrace cleaning up after painting tutorial. Please tell me briefly what is your story and how you deal with such a problem as clutter on your desk or mess in your painting tools.